ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम. We are seeing ikaranta strilinga shabda, hrasva ikaranta strilinga shabda, and in that hrasva ikaranta, whether strilinga or pullinga gets hi saudhnya, that we have seen. Then this hi saudhnya karya happens to this hrasva ikaranta shabda, and it is declined just like hrasva ikaranta pullinga shabda that we saw. Then this hrasva ikaranta strilinga shabdas, they get nadi saudhnya optionally when nit pratyas are there in front of them. Sutra is niti hrasvascha. So that sutra is additional for the prakriya of hrasva ikaranta strilinga shabda, hrasva ukaranta strilinga shabda. Ukaranta, hrasva ikaranta, hrasva ukaranta, there is no difference in the prakriya. Prakriya is same. Now, after having given this nadi saudhnya, what the forms take place? Just like nadi saudhnya ka shabda takes forms, those forms, similar forms will be there in the hrasva ikaranta also. For example, you can take nadyai. Nadyai is the form. So matyai, nadyaha matyaha, nadyaha matyaha, and nadyam matyam. These are the four forms, and one more sutra is there which is additional for this hrasva ikaranta strilinga shabda. So that additional part we are going to see. What we saw in the class or earlier is this prakriya, the system of nadi saudhnya. Nadi saudhnya, what gets nadi saudhnya, what is excluded from nadi saudhnya, and again what is given optional nadi saudhnya, that we have seen. Nadi saudhnya generally is given to dirgha ikaranta shabda. Those dirgha ikaranta shabda which get iyang or uvang adesha, dirgha ikaranta, dirgha ukaranta, those shabdas are not given nadi saudhnya, they are excluded. But then there will be some shabdas which get iyang adesha, they are still nadi saudhnya ka. Shabda is stri shabda, so therefore the constantly that stri shabda is excluded from neyang vang sthana vastri astri. Stri shabda bhinna yang vang sthana shabda. So that is that part we have kept aside, but yeah. And then niti hrasvascha, niti hrasvascha, vami niti hrasvascha, those words which get iyang vang adesha are not considered as nadi saudhnya, but if am pratyay is there in front of them, they get optional nadi saudhnya. Then iyang vang sthanaka shabdas will get nadi saudhnya optionally when there is nit pratyas, there are nit pratyas in front of them. So altogether the dirgha ikaranta, dirgha ukaranta shabdas which get iyang and uvang adesha, they will be nadi saudhnya ka optionally when nit pratyas and shashti vibhakti am pratyay is there in front of them. And hrasva shabda, that means hrasva ikaranta, hrasva ukaranta shabda, when there is nit pratyay in front of them, that time they will be considered as nadi saudhnya. Am option is just for dirgha ikaranta, dirgha ukaranta which get iyang uvang adesha. Nit option is for iyang uvang adesha as well as hrasva ikaranta, hrasva ukaranta. Our shabda is hrasva ikaranta, so therefore for us only nit pratyas are taken for discussion. So nadi shabda, mati shabda which we declined yesterday just like Hari. Now prakriya will happen only with nit pratyaya. Okay, that is where we are. Vibhashadik samase bahuvriyo is the sutra in that mati shabda is started. Mati, mati, matayah, mati, mati, matihi. That much shabda is short. Matihi, matya. This Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan form is given and Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan form is given. Just to show that these are the places where it differs from Hari Shabda. Hari becomes in Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan Harin and Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan Harina. Otherwise, all those five forms are same. Hari, Matihi, Hari, Mati, Harayah, Matayah, Harim, Matim, Hari, Mati. So Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan differs. So therefore, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan is given. Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan Ango Nastriyam Na comes for Astri Saudnyaka Shabdas. So Hari is Astri, means that is not Strilinga. So there it comes. For Mati, it does not come. And then remaining Prakriya also we finished. Now the next sutra is going to be this. Niti Hrasvascha. So we will read this sutra and then we will see the Prakriya. So far, this Mati Shabda, which is here, Mati Shabda, is Ghi Saudnyaka, Sheshobhyasakhi. Whatever is remaining from Yustriakhyo Nadi, Niyam Sthanavastri, Vami, then Vami. Apart from this, whatever is remaining, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, are called Ghi. Sheshaha, Ghi, Asakhi. So Sakhi is not counted in that. So all other Shabdas are considered as Ghi Saudnyaka. Okay. Now the sutra comes. Let's read the sutra. Niti Hrasvascha, Niti Hrasvascha, Niti Hrasvascha, Niti Hrasvascha. Sutra is saying Iyam Sthanau Stri Shabda Bhinnau Nitya Strilingau Idutau Hrasvau cha Ivarno Uvarno Ivarno Varno Striyam Van Adiv Sadnyostah Niti. To understand this whole vritti. Okay, in short meaning I will tell. Meaning is when there is Nit Pratyay in front of Hrasvanta Shabda, Hrasva Ikaranta, Hrasva Ukaranta Shabda, that Hrasva Ikaranta, Hrasva Ukaranta Shabda will be considered Nadi Saudnyaka. Okay, it will be considered Nadi Saudnyaka. Optionally. Okay, Vikalpena Nadi Saudnyaka. Once it will be Nadi, once it will not be Nadi. When it is not Nadi, then which Saudnya is there? Ghi Saudnya is there. So either it is Nadi Saudnyaka or it is Ghi Saudnyaka. Ghi Saudnyaka forms are these. Nadi Saudnyaka forms are these. Matyay, Matyay, Matyaha, Matyaha, Matehe. Matyaha, Matyaha, Matyay. These are the forms. And Matyam. One more form is there, but for that next sutra is required. Okay. Now this Niti Hrasvascha, whole summary, what I just at the beginning gave, that is this whole vritti. Iyang Wang Sthanau Stri Shabda Bhinnau Nitya Strilingau Idutau Hrasvau cha Ivarno Varnau. Two types of words are described. Okay. So those words which get Iyang Wang Sthana, so the Iyang Wang Adesha, those words, forget about Stri Shabda Bhinna. That word we will keep aside. Those words which get Iyang Wang Adesha were excluded by the sutra Niyang Wang Sthana. Niyang Wang Sthana was Stri Sutra said that do not consider them as Nadi. So that इयं वंग स्थानौ नित्य स्त्रीलिंगौ, इयं वंग स्थानौ नित्य स्त्रीलिंगौ दीर्घ ईदुतौ, ईदुतौ इकारांत उकारांतौ. ओके, सो इयं वंग स्थानौ नित्य स्त्रीलिंगौ ईदुतौ, these two ह्रस्वौ च इवर्णौ वर्णौ. So nitya strilinga yang wang sthanaka, those shabdas will be considered as nadi saudnyaustah. They will get nadi saudnya when niti pratyay paresati. So nowhere that nadi saudnya will be given to yang wang sthana shabda except nit pratyay. Okay, so this was about dirgha ikaranta shabda which get yang wang adesha. One more shabda is there, rasvascha. ह्रस्वांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्दास they will get nadi saudnya niti pratyay paresati. So how it is going? After comma ह्रस्वौ च इवर्णो वर्णौ, ह्रस्व इकारांत उकारांतो. Okay, ह्रस्व इकारांत स्त्रियाम in the strilinga. Then otherwise ह्रस्व इकारांत ह्रस्व उकारांत can be pulling also. So strilinga shabdas नदी संज्ञा वास्तः कदा नीति परेसति, when there is nit pratyay in front of them. Okay, so these are the two meanings coming out of niti hrasvascha, and in order it goes like this. युस्त्र्याख्यो नदी दीर्घ इकारांत दीर्घ उकारांत नित्य स्त्रीलिंग शब्द will be named as nadi. दीर्घ इकारांत नित्य स्त्रीलिंग नित्य स्त्रीलिंग दीर्घ इकारांत उकारांत शब्द if they get iyang wang adesha न नदी संज्ञकाः. आमी इयं वंग स्थानौ वा नदी संज्ञकौ, नीति इयं वंग स्थानौ वा नदी संज्ञकौ. आमी वा नदी संज्ञकौ, नीति वा नदी संज्ञकौ. नीति ह्रस्वः अपि नित्य स्त्रीलिंगौ, नित्य स्त्रीलिंगः ह्रस्वः अपि और नित्य स्त्रीलिंगौ ह्रस्वौ अपि नदी संज्ञौ स्तः. That is the meaning. So दीर्घ इकारांत दीर्घ उकारांत नित्य स्त्रीलिंग नदी.
What will be the drishtanta for Vami?
For what?
For Vami.
Shri Shabda.
Stri Shabda.
Shri, Shri, Shri.
Shri.
I think I have.
Yes.
Yeah.
We saw in the last session.
So that is Niti Hrasvascha. Hrasva Shabda is getting Nadi Saudnya Vikalpena. And after applying all these four sutras, whatever remains now, getting Nadi Saudnya, from getting Nadi Saudnya, whatever remains is Ghi. So all the words which remain apart from the application, whatever is remaining now, that is considered as Ghi, and that was the Ghi, Sheshok Gyasaki when we read it in the Ajanta Pullinga. So when this Mati Shabda will get, Mati Shabda is Hraswa Ikaranta, Hraswa Ikaranta, Hraswa Ikaranta, Hraswa Ikaranta, Niti Vikalpena Nadi Saudnyakah, Yada Na Nadi Saudnyakah, Tada Ghi Saudnyakah, Sheshah. Sheshatpena Ghi Saudnya. So here we are. Niti Hrasvascha in front of us, where there are four conditions. Nasi, what will happen next? Mati Dhana A. Because it is Nadi Saudnyaka, therefore one Adesha will come. What is that? An Nadyaha. At comes. Okay. An Nadyaha. Nadyaha Nitam At Syat. So At came. And it becomes a part of Ekar. Between A and A, okay, I will get then E, A and A, between them both of them will disappear. They will come. Sutra is Atashcha. And then one more sandhi will happen. Right? Oh, Yanachi. And if there is Nadi Saudnya is not there, then Mataye. Why? Because this Guna takes place. Gherngiti Guna Hasyat. So Guna comes, Ekara comes. And then this Echoyavayavaha takes place, Mataye, that form begins. Then this
Mat Yakara plus A, I which is combination of
otherwise how this E will turn into A?
So they are there. Okay.
Here. Mat E us here in this situation. Mat At will come. Us sutra is and Nadyaha. Then Mat A will disappear, A will disappear. 0, 0. Vriddhi will come, which is I. Then not then Matehe. Gherngiti and then Nasing Asoscha. Sutra Purva Rupa takes place and we get Matehe. That with Akara of Ngas and Ngasi, these two pratyas Akara gets Purva Rupa and not the Ayadi Adesha works here. Same prakriya for Ngas. Mati Yaha. Then here. Ni. Here. This is the condition. Here. This much is the work of Niti Hrasvascha Now we need to apply this niti hrasvascha, but some work is there. By the way, this much portion is clear that till Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachan, Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachan, Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan, Prakriya is over. Same sutra is applied when there is ni pratyaya, Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachan also. Now here also it is applicable. Mati ni. Now what happens? So this ni gets replaced by am. Why? Dhana get replaced by am. Sutra is Niram Nadyam Nibhyah. Why this sutra will be applicable? Because Mati is Nadi Saudnyaka now. When it is Nadi Saudnyaka, when it is not Nadi Saudnyaka, what will happen, that we saw. But when it is Nadi Saudnyaka, what will happen? Of course, it will get this Am Adesha, Ni will get replaced by Am. And then we will bring this At. Again we will do Vruddhi. And Matyam form we will get. Correct, na? This should be clear with this.
Yes.
Yeah, because it is Nadi Saudnyaka, Niram Nadyam Nibhyah Sutra is applied. And Am is coming in the place of Ni. So we get Matyam form. Applying Atascha and then Diko energy. But then some problem occurs. What is that problem? That we will see. That problem, we will see the sutra and then we will come to the problem. Next sutra is, Paniniji says that do not apply Niram Nadyam Nibhyah, but let me write new sutra, that is new sutra, and that sutra is applied and that sutra brings the Am. Am only is brought. Instead of using Niram Nadyam Nibhyah, sutra is used, the next one. Let's read the next sutra. Idudbhyam, Idudbhyam, Idudbhyam. Idudbhyam is the sutra. Sutra says that Hrasva Ikarantat, Hrasva Ukarantat, Ngehe Amsya. Hrasva Ikarantat Pare Yah Nihi Tasya Amsyat. Hrasva Ukarantat Pare Yah Nihi Tasya Amsyat. That is the meaning. Idudbhyam Ngehe Amsyat. Now this sutra comes here. Ngeram Nadyam Nibhyah Idudbhyam Out Achaghe. These four sutras should be clear in mind how they are working. So first sutra is saying Ngehe Am Syat, Ngehe Am Syat. What are the Angas? So they should be Nadi Saudnyaka or Abanta or Ni Shabda itself or Nyanta. That's how it should be. So Shabda should be Nadi Saudnyaka or Abanta. Nadi Saudnyaka or Abanta. Then Ni will be replaced by Am. Forget about Niya. That Ni Shabda is different. Later we will see. So Ni should get replaced by Am when there is word Nadi Saudnyaka or Abanta. Okay. Over. The next sutra is coming. It is saying that Idudbhyam Ngehe Amsyat. First one is talking about Nadi Saudnyaka, and we know that Nadi Saudnya is given only to Dirgha Ikaranta, Dirgha Ukaranta Shabdas. But again, one more sutra is there that it gives Nadi Saudnya optionally to Hrasva Ikaranta Shabdas also. What about that? So, once it is given Nadi Saudnya, Am is possible with the first sutra itself, Ngeram Nadyam Nibhyah. That's what the condition is there in front of us. But then again, Paniniji is writing this sutra, and sutra is saying Idudbhyam, bring the anuvritti of Nadi Shabda, that Nadi Artha. So Nadi Saudnyakabhyam Idudbhyam. Okay. Nadi Saudnyakabhyam Hrasva Ikaranta Hrasva Ukarantabhyam. That is the meaning coming out of. So this sutra is specifically talking about those hrasva ikaranta and those hrasva ukaranta shabdas which are having nadi saudhya. They will get am adesh. When these words are there, ni will get replaced by am. That is the meaning. Whether it is hrasva ikaranta or hrasva ukaranta, it is nadi saudhya, ni will be replaced by am. There is no need of this sutra. Can we see if at all this sutra is there? Whether it is hrasva or dirgha, ni is going to get replaced when it is having nadi saudhya. So work was done with this sutra only. Correct?
Yes, Ji.
So this is the situation. But Panini says that no, use this sutra. So we'll use this sutra, we'll finish Prakriya and then we will come. Conflict means the question is clear. So now we will go to Prakriya, we will do Prakriya, we will first listen to him and then we will come back here. So instead of Ngeram Nadyam Nibhya, which sutra we will use? We will use Idudbhyam. What is the work? ह्रस्व इकारांताभ्याम शब्दाभ्याम ह्रस्व इकारंत ह्रस्व उकारांताभ्याम शब्दाभ्याम नदी संज्ञकाभ्याम. Of course they should have नदी संज्ञा. नेहे आम स्यात्. This is the सूत्र वृत्ति. इदुभ्याम नदी संज्ञकाभ्याम. So नदी संज्ञकाभ्याम इदुभ्याम शब्दाभ्याम परस्य और अंगाभ्याम परस्य नेहे आम स्यात्. So what will happen? Prakriya will happen here. Mati am. Am is coming in the place of n. Then Mati, then At. Why At will come? And Nadyaha. Sutra is applicable. It is Nadi Saudnyaka. So wherever there is Nadi Saudnyaka Shabda, Nit Pratyas will get At Agama. So At came, Am came. Then Mat, I, A, then Am. Both of them will disappear. A, then no. Then Ikoyanachi, Mat, he will be replaced by Ya, A, Ma. Ready? Matyam. When it is not having Nadi Saudhnya, then it is having Ghi Saudhnya. And if it is having Ghi Saudhnya, then Accha Ghehe. Ghehe Out Syat. Here is the sutra. Out. So Idudhyam. Normal Hrasva Ikaranta, Hrasva Ukaranta Shabdas will get out in the place of Ni. And if Hrasva Ikaranta, Hrasva Ukarantas are having Ghi Saudhnya, then they will get out as well as the Antim Varna will be replaced by Akar. Okay. So at the end we get the form Matav. Mati becomes Mata, Ni becomes Au, A plus Au, Matav. That's what happens. And At Agama does not come because it is Ghi Saudhnyaka, it is not Nadi Saudhnyaka. So Matav form we get. Where do we use this out? So we used it for Sakhi Shabda. Sakhi Shabda, because Sheshaha Ghi Asakhi. All remaining Shabdas are named as Ghi except Sakhi. And Pati Samase Eva. So Pati is Samasa Saudnyaka in the Pati is Ghi Saudnyaka only in Samasa, otherwise not. So for Pati Shabda and Sakhi Shabda, we direct brought Au and did Yanadesha Sakhyau Patyau. These two forms we got. In the case of Hari, we did not do Haryau. We did Harau. Because Hari Ikara became Akara, Hara, and then Ni became Au. We did the Harau. Vruddhi Sandhi we did and we got this forms. So here, when it is not Nadi Saudnyaka, we get form Mato. Done. Here, actually mati shabda hraswa ikaranta shabda gets over. Means here idudhyam after here. So hraswa ikaranta shabdas are over. Matyam matav shesham harivat, remaining whatever is there, whatever forms are there are just like hari. Evam buddhyadaya, in the same manner decline buddhi shabda etc. Okay, that is what his opinion, his explanation. Now let's come back to the conflict. This is the prakriya. ह्रस्व इकारांत स्त्रीलिंग सूत्र लिंगस्य सूत्राणि. प्रथमयो पूर्व सवर्ण we use for au pratyaya. So mati, su, matihi. Didn't do anything. Matihi, just sakara turned into visarga. Matihi. Mati प्रथमयो पूर्व सवर्णः. मतयः जसि च. So ह्रस्वस्य गुणः सम्बुद्धो परे सति, जसि परे सति अपि ह्रस्वस्य गुणः स्यात्. So mati became mate, jas, mate, as, mata, ai, as, matayas, matayah. It's like harayah. Jasi cha ह्रस्वस्य गुणः we did. आम्ही पूर्वः अकः आम्ही आची परतः पूर्वोपमेकादेशः स्यात्. So mati धन मतिम पूर्वरूप we did. Mati out, again प्रथमयो पूर्व सवर्णः. So both of the ikara and aukara were replaced by dirgha ikaranta, dirgha ikara. So mati, and then Dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachan, again prathamayo purva savarna took place. Matis, mati, shas, mati, as, mati, s, and here sa turns into visarga, does not turn into nakara because it is strilinga, and the sutra is this tasmat chaso na punsi, punsi it happens. So this is strilinga. So we get mati, matya, angonastriyam sutra does not come, just iko yanachi takes place. Mati bhyam as it is, mati bhi as it is, just sasarshuru kharavasani or visarjani. Then niti hrasvascha, nit pratyaya when there is in front of hrasva ekaranta shabda, hrasva ekaranta shabda will be considered as nadi saudnyaka optionally. If it is not nadi saudnyaka, then it is ghi saudnyaka, then geringiti it gets guna and then ayadi adesha matayi. If it is nadi saudnyaka by niti hrasvascha sutra, then the at agama will come to nge. There the atascha vruddhi will take place. I, mati, then I, matyai, ikoyanachi, we get form. Same thing happens with this Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachan, Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan. Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachan, Matyoho. No need of doing anything, just do ikoyanachi. Then Matinam, am is there, hrasvantat, nadyantat, abantacha, nutsyat. So nut comes. And Nami, dirgha takes place. Nami I have not given. Nami dirgha takes place and we get Matina. Now when it comes to Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachan, there is the problem. Why? Because Mati Shabda is hrasva ikaranta. But it is also having Nadi Saudnya. If it is Nadi Saudnyaka, then we could have done this replacement of ni by am just by Neram Nadyam Nibhya Sutra. Because there Nadi Saudnyakabhyam or Nadi Saudnyakat Nehe Am Syat. That's it. Should have worked. But Sutra is given Idudhyam. This Sutra is created. So the possibilities are, here we come. Out Sutra, the clarity, now the order is clean. We have seen the order and where problem is. Out Sutra, out, this is the replacement for Ni. So Neram Nadyam Nibhya, this Sutra, in this Sutra we replace Ni Pratyaya by Am. And in Out Sutra we replace Ni Pratyaya by Au. In Achaghe Sutra also we replace Ni by Au. Okay. Now this Out Sutra takes Anuvritti of Idudhyam. Okay. This Out Adesha will come only when Shabda is Hrasva Ikaranta, Hrasva Ukaranta. Okay, there only Out is applied. Whereas Neram Nadyam Nibhya obviously will be applicable with the dirgha ikaranta shabda, dirgha ukaranta shabda. Understood? But if it is nadi saudnyaka, there everywhere it will work. Mati is rasva ikaranta, but it is nadi saudnya, so with that work will happen. Okay. Now this, if we do not create this idudhyam new sutra, we can get this nadyam form. But out sutra can be applied by vipratishedhe param karyam. By vipratishedhe param karyam, because both the sutras, obviously out sutra, how this means suggestion, the Purva Pakshi gives the suggestion. He says that idudbhyam and out do not create these two separate sutras, create idudbhyam out. So chain will be broken. Neram nadyam nibhyah will be applicable for all nadi saudnika shabdas, and for out you need hrasva ikara, hrasva ukarana. So idudbhyam out, that's how you create new sutra and you will get it. And if we don't create, then there is problem. That's what the Granthakara is saying. But there should not rise any problem. That's what he says. What is the problem? If we create idudbhyam out and we do not create new sutra for the replacement of ni, then purva vipratishedhe, sorry, this vipratishedhe param karyam, para vipratishedhena, out will happen in the case of mati shabda. Am will not happen. Why? Because between, if at all sutra is created, idudbhyam out and neram nadyam nibhya. Neram nadyam nibhya is 16th sutra. This is 17th sutra. This will become 17th sutra. And both of these sutras are getting their own places to work. Anyatra labdhavakashau imau yogo. So in the case of Gauri Shabda, neram nadyam nibhya sutra is applicable separately, regardless. Because Gauri Shabda is Nadi Saudnyaka and there it is applied. Where out is not at all possible. Okay. Idudbhyam out sutra is created. Suppose we have created, as Purva Pakshi is saying. Then it will be applicable in the case of Sakhi. Sakhi Shabda is not Nadi Saudnyaka. Okay. It is not Ghi Saudnyaka. So out is coming and there Sakhya form is done. Now, Mati is the Shabda which is having Nadi Saudnya and which is Rasva Ikaranta as well. Both the sutras are having their own places to work and they are finding the same place where these both sutras are applicable. Because it is Nadi Saudnyaka, let the Ni be replaced by Am. Because it is Rasva Ikaranta, let the Ni be replaced by Au. Which one should we apply? So, Vipratishedhe param karyam, we should apply idudbhyam out, this sutra, which is new creation. Okay. That is the problem. Therefore, Paniniji gives the solution. What is this? Obviously, this is just why there is a need of this third extra sutra. The Granthakaras, they have examined and they found that, oh, this conflict might have come, so that's why before itself Paniniji created this sutra. So what this sutra is saying, if we create these two different sutras, then idudbhyam nadi saudnyakabhyam idudbhyam nama hrasva ekaranta ukarantabhyam nehe amsya. Okay, and then for out sutra, idudbhyam out syat. Hrasva ekaranta, hrasva ukarantabhyam out syat. So for idudbhyam, we have to take the anuvritti of nadi and we have to understand the sutra. Nadyantabhyam, nadi saudnyakabhyam idudbhyam nehe am syat. Separately it is mentioned. And then, therefore now, nadi saudnyakabhyam hrasva ekaranta, hrasva ukarantabhyam nehe am syat. There is specific sutra. That becomes specific sutra and it talks about particularly hrasva ekaranta, hrasva ukaranta, nadi saudnyaka shabdas and not the general as the earlier sutra was talking. Now here, idudbhyam out. Of course, idudbhyam anuvritti will go to out. Again, we will get meaning that hrasva ikaranta, hrasva ukaranta, any shabda will get out. Again, mati is caught in this sutra. Even 3 sutras are created. In out, mati shabda will get caught. Idudbhyam sutra is talking nadi saudnyakabhyam ikara ukarabhyam idudbhyam ikaranta ukarantabhyam ngehe amsyat. Out, this sutra is talking generally about hrasva ikaranta ukaranta shabdabhyam. So even though idudbhyam is earlier sutra, out is later sutra, idudbhyam becomes the apavada for out. Because this is general idudbhyam and this is nadi saudnyakabhyam idudbhyam. That's how it becomes apavada of out. So ngeram nadyam nibhyah, mere ngeram nadyam nibhyah sutra is created. Then the next sutra would have, or Paniji had to create new sutra which is idudbhyam out. And if that's how it was created, then that idudbhyam out sutra would have become apavada for ngeram nadyam nibhyah. Because it talks about hrasva ikaranta ukarantabhyam in ngehe out sat. And ngeram nadyam nibhyah generally talks about nadi saudnyakabhyam. Both of them are having their own places to work and they are finding same place to work. So vipratishade param karyam paribhasha sutra would have come and we would have got out only. To avoid that, 2 different sutras are created, idudbhyam and out. Idudbhyam sutra talks about hrasva ikaranta ukaranta shabdas which get nadi saudnya. Out sutra talks only about hrasva ikaranta ukaranta shabda, not nadi saudnya. Because that anuvritti does not count. So that's how we get these 3 different meanings. And in the case of mati shabda, conflict is solved. Balamanoramakara, this opinion, this explanation is clear what we saw.
Yes, Narayji.
So explanation how, because now one more, what is the problem? Earlier sutra is ngeram nadyam nibhyah, ngehe am syat nadi aap nibhyah, nadi aap nibhyah. So nadi we have to bring. So ekadesha is getting anuvritta and not nadi am nibhyah. The whole word is not getting anuvritta, but anuvritti is happening to only nadi shabda. So this ashtadhyayi.com, there is a idudbhyam sutra. If we see, the anuvritti is given only am and nge. Am and nge. Then how will we get the meaning of nadyaha? So that explanation is not in this. Okay. So that is given Granthakara. Granthakara is given this. Tikakara is giving ngehe am iti sutrat nadi grahanam. Ngehe am iti cha anuvartate. These 2 things are anuvritta. What? Ngehe am syat and nadi. This particular part should come or should be taken as anuvritti. And that's how we get the explanation for idudbhyam. Nadi saudnyakabhyam idudbhyam parasya ngehe am syat. Pakshe accha gehe. When it is not, then in the option accha gehe gi saudnyaka karya will happen. Now this explanation of Padamanjarikara, just in short I will read. Whatever we saw is the explanation. Nadi grahanam iha anuvartate. Same thing as Balamanoramakara is saying. Nadi grahanam iha anuvartate. It's not that, oh, it is a part of whole shabda, how can it be anuvritta? So it happens. Yadi evam, if nadi grahanam, if this is how idudbhyam sutra we are going to create, then aparthakam idam, this is nirarthakam. What? Idudbhyam, this sutra is nirarthaka. Why? Purvena eva siddhatvat. The am karya, what work we are going to do with idudbhyam sutra, was done even with the earlier sutra itself. Then purvena eva siddhatvat asya yogasya sutrasya aparthakatvam. Okay, nirarthakatvam, nirarthakam idam. Tatascha, what should be done? Solution he is giving. He is ततश्च इदुभ्याम औत् इति एकयोगः एव कर्तव्यः. योग here means sutra. इति एकसूत्रम् इति एकं सूत्रम् एव कर्तव्यं. That's how we can read. Okay. Idudbhyam out. Instead of creating two sutras, idudbhyam out, two different sutras. Instead of creating two different sutras, he is saying that idudbhyam out, create one sutra. इति एकयोगः इति एकम योगम एकम सूत्रम एवं कर्तव्यम. That's what he is saying. Naivam shakyam. It is not possible. The Purva Pakshi's suggestion is refused. He is saying that, the Granthakara is saying that it is not possible. Why? Aukaraha hi syat. If this is how we do, aukara only will happen. How? The explanation is given. The explanation is vipratishethe param karyam. Parakarya will happen, and because of parakarya, aukara only will happen. How? Nadi lakshanasya amaha avakashah kumaryam iti. The word kumari, dirgha ikaranta, which is nadi saudnyaka, there ni is getting replaced by am. So amaha avakashah kumaryam iti. What is the avakasha of out? So autvasya avakashah patyau sakhyau iti. In the pati shabda, sakhi shabda, ni is getting replaced by out. So there is the application of out sutra. Now what about krutyam? This is kruti shabda. Kruti shabda, mati shabda. Instead of kruti, we can understand mati. Matyam iti atra. Yada nadi saudnya, tada, if when there is nadi saudnya to this mati shabda, nadi kruti shabda, this rasva ekaranta shabda, then paratvat vipratishethe param karyam. Both of them are having different labdha avakashatva. Okay, they have their own places to work. And nadyam ityatra, both of them are pravritta. Paratvat ubayoho param syat. Param kim? Out. So therefore paratvat outvam prapnoti. Tasmat idudhyam iti swatantrah yogah sadhu eva. This reason of idudhyam sutra is clear.
Yes,
Then this remaining Sheshogya Sakhi, Achyagehe, Rasvasya Gunaha, these are the sutras where the full Rasva Ikaranta Shabda is covered. Okay. Now, constantly we have avoided one Shabda, Stri Shabda, we have avoided in this whole Prakriya. Use Triakhya Nadi. Strilinga, Nitya Strilinga, Dirgha Ikaranta, Dirgha Ukaranta Shabdas. Okay. One Prakarana is over. Now this is new topic. Use Triakhya. Dirgha Ikaranta, Dirgha Ukaranta Shabdas are named as Nadi. Those Dirgha Ikaranta, Dirgha Ukaranta Strilinga Shabdas which get Iyang or Uvang Adesha are excluded from Nadi Saudnya. They are not supposed to get Nadi Saudnya. Stri is one Shabda. Stri is a Shabda which is Dirgha Ikaranta, which is Nitya Strilinga. Okay, it is Dirgha Ikaranta, it is Nitya Strilinga, and it gets Iyang Adesha. So this Shabda, by saying Neyam Uvang Sthana Vastri, if this sutra says that if Iyang Adesha and Uvang Adesha happens to any Dirgha Ikaranta, Dirgha Ukaranta Strilinga Shabda, should not get Nadi Saudnya, then Stri Shabda is Shabda which gets Iyang Adesha will also be excluded from getting Nadi Saudnya. Therefore, Sutrakara says, except Stri Shabda, all other Shabdas which get Iyang Adesha, Uvang Adesha will not get Nadi Saudnya. Except Stri Shabda, all other Dirgha Ikaranta, Dirgha Ukaranta Shabdas which get Iyang Adesha, Uvang Adesha will not get Nadi Saudnya. Stri Shabda will get Nadi Saudnya. Stri Shabda definitely will get Nadi Saudnya. Okay. Oh, but it gets Iyang Adesha, still it will get Iyang Adesha. Still it will get Nadi Saudnya. Okay. Why? Because to bring the Nadi Saudnyaka Karya, which is Ad Nadyaha, Neram Nadyam Nibhya, these works will happen. Okay, to bring those works he is given. Then, okay, this is the meaning of na iyang wang sthana vastri. Iyang wang sthano नदी संज्ञो नस्तः न तु स्त्री इति शब्दः स्त्री इति शब्दः यं स्थानी तथापि तस्य नदी संज्ञा भवति एव. Okay, so it is again having nadi संज्ञा. Further we go, vami, those which are named, those which get iyang wang adesha are given nadi संज्ञा optionally when there is am pratyay in front of them. Correct. We started class with this. Words which are given, which get iyang adesha, uvang adesha, are excluded from nadi संज्ञा. Okay, they are given nadi संज्ञा optionally when there is am pratyay, shashti vibhakti bahuvachan in front of them. So what about stri shabda? Stri shabda also gets iyang adesha. So he says that no, though stri shabda gets iyang adesha, will not get optional nadi संज्ञा as other iyang adesha, uvang adesha shabdas get when there is am pratyay in front of them. So stri shabda again will not get optional nadi संज्ञा. It will have always nadi संज्ञा. Okay, though it is iyang adesha, having iyang adesha. Okay, there will not be optional nadi संज्ञा for stri. So if stri is being declined, stri plus am, rasvan adhyapo nut, nadyantat nut syat. So nut will come and we will get form strinam and not striyam. In the case of shri shabda, we get from shriyam. Now one more sutra. Yeah, that's it. So this stri shabda was constantly avoided. Now some portion I wanted to show. How this stri shabda gets iyang adesha, uvang adesha. Achishnu dhatu bhruma is the sutra which gives iyang adesha and uvang adesha to shnu pratyaya. Okay, then dhatu and then bhru shabda. Okay, these are the three things or three words or three types of words which get iyang adesha, uvang adesha. So shnu pratyaya, dhatus, the shabdas which are having dhatu संज्ञा. So mostly kvibanta, kvijanta, kvibanta are the shabdas. They are having dhatu संज्ञा. They will get iyang uvang adesha when there is ach pratyay in front of or ajadi pratyay in front of them. And bhru shabda, which is dirgha ukaranta strilinga shabda, it will get uvang adesha. And bhru shabda obviously always will be excluded from getting nadi संज्ञा, being dirgha ukaranta. Okay. Now here stri shabda is not included, where the sutra is assigning iyang adesha. Okay, in between one sutra is coming, ignore it, and the next sutra is striyaha. Stri shabda se iyang syat ajado pratyay pare. So this is where stri shabda is getting iyang adesha when there is ajadi pratyay in front of it. It is also getting iyang adesha optionally when there is am and shas pratyay in front of them. That is different thing that we are going to see soon. But how this stri shabda is getting iyang adesha? This is the sutra. This is the sutra which is giving iyang adesha. Otherwise, this stri shabda is not getting iyang adesha by this sutra. This is the sutra which gets iyang, which gives iyang and uvang adeshas, where stri shabda is not included. Separate sutra comes for stri shabda, and that's how that stri shabda gets iyang adesha. And because it is iyang adesha, it was it was not getting nadi संज्ञा. It was excluded from getting nadi संज्ञा. But constantly those sutras which were excluding or which were doing the nishedha of nadi संज्ञा to the shabdas, which were having iyang adesha, uvang adesha, there constantly Granthakara had to mention excluding stri. Do not count in this nishedha stri shabda. Do not count stri shabda in this nishedha. That's how he said. So that stri shabda which we had constantly kept aside while seeing the explanation. Is that clear?
Yes, Ji.
So here this whatever is explanation in this green is about that only. स्त्री शब्द यद्यपि यंग आदेशम प्राप्नोति अयन निषेध भवत्येव तस्य नदि संज्ञा. So this is all about the explanation of these 4-5 sutras, how they get, how they do not get. Okay, on this. Again we have to remember stri shabda is nyanta, ni pratyay is there in stri shabda. That also I have written somewhere, but not too much writing has happened here. So here are this vibhasha dik samase bahuvrihyau. In this sutra what we started mati shabda gets over with this idudhyam sutra, and here our rasva ikaranta shabda is over. Just like mati shabda we can decline dhenu shabda, which is rasva ukaranta, and it is declined like this. So forms are same, no change. Stri shabda prakriya, we will see, it is going to come. Should we do Shanti Pata, Swamiji? Yes. Should we stop here?
Yes.
Om.
Yes.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om.
Okay.